Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to contact Roblox support. First, scroll to the bottom of the page and go to Roblox. Scroll down here. We need to find the help button. Click on it. Now we need to create a ticket. Click the Contact US button and fill out this form. Here, enter your Roblox username. In my case, it's Veiler. Next, enter your name. Here's where you put your email. Then click to confirm your email address. Here, select which devices you play on most often. I mostly play on computer. Now choose your problem. Write your issue here. After that, you can send it. That's it. This was Veiler. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good life, good luck, and goodbye, everyone.